In the future, humanity has entered an era of interstellar voyages. Colossal spacecraft resemble flying cities, with gigantic cylindrical excavators, massive aircraft carriers, and printing factories, each one larger than you can imagine. Yet all of this seems like a ruthless waste. In the future, there is only one human government called the Continental Alliance. They discovered the planet Sol 5, which has a lower gravitational pull than Earth and is abundant in metals and liquid hydrocarbons, making it a perfect resource provider. Humans established automated factories on this planet. The giant cylindrical structure is an excavator capable of embedding its entire body into the surface, uprooting the encased ore, and transporting it to the factory as raw material. This continuous mining process creates enormous circular pits around the excavation sites. More excavators are continuously being produced, with tugboats towing them out of the factories. The ore delivered to the factories is used to manufacture a fleet of aerospace carriers. There are no spare parts factories or assembly workshops here. The production lines resemble 3D printing, directly printing out complete warships. Ore enters one end and emerges as a fully formed carrier on the other. Due to the high level of automation, the factories rarely stop working, capable of producing 5 or 6 aerospace carriers in a single day. This factory was built for war, but now that the war has long ceased, the factory continues to operate. The manufactured aerospace carriers have lost their purpose and are discarded on the planet's surface like industrial waste. Of course, there are some workers in the factories, but most of them were lured there under false pretenses. No one expected that the beautiful life they dreamed of would be reduced to producing useless garbage, wasting precious resources, and causing irreparable damage to the planet. Now, they are trapped on this world, with no chance of returning to Earth. Why not stop production if these aerospace carriers have lost their purpose? The main reason is that the scale of the factories is too vast, with a deeply entrenched chain of interests. Any halt in production could trigger a systemic collapse. Therefore, even if the manufactured goods are immediately discarded, the factories must maintain operation. Naturally, the people living on Earth are unaware of these hidden secrets. There have been plans to destroy the factories, but they are too immense. Small-scale explosions would have no impact, and production would continue even after such attempts.